Government sources have told ET now that a notice has been issued to Meta over the proposed rollout of WhatsApp's username feature in India. And in fact, not just that, the government has also directed the company to not launch it until consultations on the matter are completed. And government sources have told this to ET now. Not just this, sources have also said that a detailed explanation on the feature within 3 days has been sought from the company, from Meta. So this is a big action that's being undertaken by the government. In fact, this proposed feature would allow WhatsApp users to create usernames to be contacted without actually sharing their phone numbers. In fact, WhatsApp had announced that users would be able to reserve the unique usernames before this feature is essentially launched more widely later this year and globally as well. And remember, government sources have also told ET now that as far as this particular feature is concerned, the company has now been directed to not roll out the feature until the consultation process is over. So, of course, consultation is something that the government of India is deeply focused on. Whatever reforms that you want to see in the past, policy decisions, policy rollouts, extensive consultation is what the Indian government is heavily dependent upon. And of course, it espouses as well. And now it is directing Meta to also take extensive consultations before rolling it out to a large number of users. Remember, this move is coming in after official scrutiny of the features implications, for user identification and platform safety as well. In fact, reports have suggested that government was examining possible risks linked to impersonation and misuse through, of course, username-based communication. And remember, just this afternoon, we were also given to understand by a government source that every legal aspect of this issue is going to be examined. And of course, just this afternoon, sources had said that if required, a notice will be issued to WhatsApp, and now it has been issued to Meta. This is, remember, one issue that has created divisions, and in fact, it has created a huge uproar over user safety and security as well on digital platforms, besides leading to spam.